If you're a starseed feeling lonely, then this episode is for you. Today I will go through why you feel so lonely on Earth as a starseed and 3 tips on what to do to stop feeling lonely as a starseed. My whole life I have felt like I don't fit in, and I never understood why, because I'm such a good listener. I turned to people pleasing, making sure there wouldn't be any conflict. But no matter how many books I read about how to be social, how to make friends, nothing seemed to work. I would always be the odd one out. Especially in high school, this was so hard. I saw how people were making besties left and right, creating their social groups, and I was kind of just like lingering, being in one social group one day, another one another day. And I don't think at any point during high school I was ever invited to a party or hanged out with anybody after school. It wasn't until I did a starseed birth chart reading and found out I'm actually a starseed, then this all made sense. I feel like I don't fit in because I am literally not human. My soul is not from here. And this is why you feel lonely too. Your soul originates from a different star system or planet, for example the Pleiades or Andromeda. And as you go through your spiritual journey, you increase more and more in vibration. And you were already high vibrational coming in here. So imagine how hard it is to make friends once you are on a super high vibration, much higher than most people. The pool of people who are on your high vibration are going to become smaller and smaller, and you won't be a vibrational match to most humans. So what do you do about it? First step is to put your attention out there that you want starseed friends. You have so many thoughts, thousands of thoughts each day. How is the universe supposed to know what to give you if you want so many things and you're not clear on what it is you want to bring into your life? Step 2 is to take inspired action. So let's say that you go once a year to a resort for your holiday. Instead of doing that, why not go to a spiritual retreat? Your chances of finding a starseed there is much higher. So join spiritual meetups, yoga classes. Wherever there are spiritual people, you're most likely to find other starseeds and other people of your high vibration. The third thing you need to know is that it is okay to not want a huge social circle. It's okay to have periods where you just want to be a hermit. You just want to be at home, rest, be in nature. That is a part of your starseed nature. You need to recharge. This is something that the starseed guides and healers Ophelia and Sekal on YouTube talk a lot about. The higher you raise on the ascension scale, as they call it, the more you need to withdraw from civilization. I used to live in cities, and now I live in the British countryside. I only have a few close friends that I really trust who are on my vibrational level. They lift my energy up rather than drain me, and that is so important as a starseed because there will be people who want to feed off your light, literally lean on your light. So when you're meeting friends, whether new or old ones, see if they drain you or lift you up. Let me know if that resonated, and love you so much.